Today we're making a muddled Carajillo 43 from Spain. It serves one person and takes about 5 minutes. Get ready for a bold, aromatic coffee cocktail with beautiful layers. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 2 ounces of Licor 43, the sweet vanilla citrus Spanish liqueur. 1 ounce of freshly brewed espresso, strong and hot. 1 lemon peel strip, about 2 inches, for bright citrus oils. 1 teaspoon demerara sugar for a gentle caramel note. 3 whole coffee beans to boost aroma. 20 ice cubes, divided, to chill, mix, and serve. 1 small cinnamon stick for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Fill a rocks glass with 8 ice cubes to chill it, then set it aside. Add 1 lemon peel strip and 1 teaspoon of demerara sugar to a sturdy mixing glass. Add 3 whole coffee beans to the mixing glass. Muddle firmly for 15 seconds to release the lemon oils and start dissolving the sugar. Pour in 2 ounces of Licor 43 over the muddled mixture. Add 8 ice cubes to the mixing glass. Stir smoothly for 20 seconds to chill and dilute the cocktail. Discard the ice from the chilled rocks glass. Add 4 fresh ice cubes to the rocks glass. Then strain the mixture from the mixing glass over it. Brew 1 ounce of hot espresso. Slowly pour the 1 ounce hot espresso over the back of a spoon to float a dark layer on top. Garnish with 1 small cinnamon stick. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Spanish coffee cocktail, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more. Cheers!